So it's a little bit of a different video. I'm actually running this while I'm running. $6 million inflow. I actually read my Python script in the morning and it pushed out these 230 Apple puts for next week, which has a volume flow that's increasing by a whole bunch. And that's funny enough because we have actually been started seeing a lot of inflows of more money going into puts over the course of this week, right? And it's funny that it goes into Apple, and again, it's 230, so not really that much far out of the money, but it looks like, you know, big money is starting to prepare for, you know, a bigger dump than we actually think is going to happen, right? Or at least, you know, they're finding some stuff that's letting them get into, you know, can you see me? There you go. Into puts, right? And puts just basically, it's just an option. It's just like a little, it's a trade that basically says I think the market's going to go down, or specifically in this case, Apple, right? So yeah, it's right here, 230 put, and there's a $6 million plus volume flow going into that 230 put expiring for next week.